Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to manage exams in the staff portal. It's simple. We'll break this process into 3 parts. Stick with us and you'll master it in no time. First up, we'll cover to create an exam template. In the navigation menu, click Tools, then select Exam. Under the Template tab, choose Create Template to begin building your exam. This will take you to the Exam Builder, where you'll start by entering exam details. Type the exam title, provide a brief description of the exam's purpose, and choose the subject from the drop-down menu. Let's type in the question, then pick the question type from the drop-down menu. Options include multiple choice, short answer, and many other formats. Set a point value here. If needed, you can upload supporting files like images, videos, or audio by clicking Upload File. You can click the Add Answer icon to add answers, but it's totally up to you. Enter the answer text in the field provided for multiple choice or similar questions. You can mark the correct answer with a check mark. You can manage your questions by using the available icons to import, duplicate, save to the question bank, or delete any questions you don't need. Looking to add more questions? Just click one of these buttons. When you've finished adding all your questions, click Save and Complete. After saving, you're automatically taken back to the Templates tab. The number of templates you see depends on admin permissions. Now that the exam is ready, we're all set to assign it to your students. You'll remain on the exam page under the Templates tab. Now find the template you want to assign. Click the Assign button in the corresponding row to open the Assign pop-up window. The exam name will autofill. Toggle the deadline required option if you want to set a due date. Use the filters for subject, course, or teacher to narrow down the student list. Search for specific students using this field or scroll to select them. Once selected, review all details. Finally, click Proceed to send the exam to the chosen students. Now let's move on to the final step, marking the exam. This time, let's select the Exam tab. The amount of exams the table displays depends on the permissions set by your school's admin. Let's break down the status column. Assigned in orange means the exam has been assigned to the student. Received in green means they've submitted it. Marked in purple means the teacher has already graded the exam. And completed means the student has already viewed the exam result. There is also a missed deadline status, if the exam is beyond the deadline and submissions are no longer accepted. Now, in the Actions column, click the Mark button to open the marking panel. At the top of the panel, review the exam details, including the student name, exam title, and subject to ensure you're evaluating the correct exam. Scroll to the Questions section to begin marking. For each question, review the student's response and enter the score in the points field. If needed, provide feedback in the feedback field under each question to offer suggestions or comments for improvement. Once all questions are marked, double-check the scores for accuracy. When ready, click the Submit button to save the scores and finalize the marking process. Once it's submitted, you'll notice the exam status changes to marked. Next to it is the Send button so you can share the results with the student. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.